Hey guys, this video is going to go over terminal basics, and if you are someone that is either new to the terminal or command line, or if you're someone that wants to learn a few more commands, then this video is for you. Okay, so over here on the right of the screen, I have all of the commands I'm going to go over, and then right below here, I have stuff that I don't know. So after I go over all the stuff, the commands that I know, I'm going to do a little bit of an experimentation, kind of like unscripted, unknown work. So Let's get started with this first part, and the first one is called PWD, and that's short for Print Working Directory. So let me clear all this, and then let me type down CD, not CD, but PWD, and it'll show me the current path I'm in. So users, Travis to create my username, and then documents, and then dev. So right now I'm in my dev folder, and yeah. So the next one is CD. So what CD does, it's short for change directory, and what it does is it lets you go into like any directory you want. So let me do ls. Let me go to C. Let me CD into code katas. So by typing down CD code katas, it brought me into that directory, and if I type down PWD, it'll show me that I'm in that directory. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta show you ls. So ls allows you to show, it just shows you all of the files or directories that are inside your directory. So when I hit ls, when I type down ls in the code kata folder, it showed me all of the files that I have. So I have the dist folder, which is short for distribution. I have code katas. Actually, let me use my mouse. I have dist. I have code katas, which is another folder. I have Ruby katas, also another folder, and then this snapshot right here. I have no idea what this is for, but yeah. So those are my 4 files. Now let's go back over to this one right here, cd ... So cd ... allows you to navigate to the parent directory. So if I type down cd ... notice how I'm in the code katas directory. Notice how I'm in code katas right now. If I hit enter, it brings me back to to my dev folder, which is the parent directory. All right, so next one. Make directory. So mkdir, make directory is the long form of mkdir. I don't know how to pronounce that. mkdir. But yeah, mkdir allows you to make a directory. So mk, not ck, mkdir, and what do I want to name it? Let's name it French paints. French dev. No, French paint. So make directory, French paints, and if I hit ls, shows me all the directories. And where is it? French paint. I don't know what but yeah, this right here. It's right over here, French paint. So it just created a new directory for me. And now let me go and cd into that that directory. Also, another bonus one. If you partially type down a directory you want to go into, so let's say FRE. Let me type down FRE, short for the French paint directory. I hit tab. It'll give me the whole directory name. That's pretty cool. So I'm in the French paint. Let me go ahead and clear the console. That's another one, clear. Clear allows you to clear whatever is on your terminal at the moment. And what's the best way to put it? It just basically like brings you down. It brings the whole thing down. So like if I go up, you'll see all that stuff. So what's the next one? Touch. So touch allows you to create a file. It's basically like the file version of make directory, and this one right. It's like the file version of this one right here. So if I type down touch paints, no painting, no Mona Lisa. So touch Mona Lisa. And then I type down ls, it'll show me Mona Lisa. I didn't give it a, I just made it, I think I made a basic file. If I wanted to make like an HTML file, CSS file, JavaScript file, just add like, that prefix to the end. So let me say touch Mona, this sounds so weird, Lisa. dot JS. And let me hit ls again, and then it'll show me JS, MonaLisa.js. So that's cool. What's the next one? Clear. I already showed you clear. Clears the whole console. Remove file. Okay, here we go. So remove file allows you to remove any file that you want from your folder or directory. So let me recheck what's on here with ls, and then let me remove. So rm Mona Lisa. So if I hit enter and then hit ls again, it'll show me that only MonaLisa.js is in there. Let's also remove MonaLisa.js. Cool. So now the next one is remove R, remove -R. So this allows you to remove a directory. So if I go back a directory and then do rm -R, a Mona Lisa, no, not Mona Lisa, French paint, then it should remove that directory. Let me hit ls again, and it's completely gone. It used to be below this fetch and react directory, but now it's not there anymore. Let's go ahead and clear this again. And remove -f just allows you to force delete a file. And you could do the same thing with a directory by doing remove -rf. Don't really need to show it because it's basically the same as the other ones. It's only like you usually only use it when your computer doesn't allow you to remove that file and you really want to remove it. So last one is app dots. So what it allows you to do is it allows you to open any application inside the directory that you're in right now. So let me find one that I can go into. Let me do codecatas again. So cd codecatas, change directory, and then let's do code, Visual Studio Code. So yeah, the prefix for Visual Studio Code is code. If you're using Atom, the prefix is Atom, and then if you're using Vim, prefix is Vim or Vi, you know, so on and so forth. It's kind of common sense, but when it came to like Visual Studio Code, I was kind of confused because I thought it was like visual or something like that. I didn't know it'd be code, but yeah. So hit that, and then it should bring up a window. It brought it up on my other screen. Let me bring this over. So it brought up my screen with my with the directory I wanted to open it with, and I have everything in here. Let me actually bring this over to the side so you can see my face. But yeah, like let me go here, look at Ruby Fizz Buzz. That's my algorithm for, yeah. So yeah, there's that, and I think that's pretty much everything for what I know. There might be some others that I know, like not off the top of my head, but like just like things that I do automatically. But yeah, that's all the stuff that I know. Now let's go over to the stuff that I don't know. So ls-la, that lists, okay, it lists directory contents including hidden files. So I don't know any directory that I know off the top of my head that does that has hidden files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the roots. Let's go down here. Okay, let me do the traditional ls first. So it shows me applications, all my other, you know, all my folders, all my files and stuff like that. Now let me do ls-la. Oh, wow, okay, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, so it shows me the directory contents, including all hidden files. So, that's interesting. I believe Vim is .vim is a hidden file. Tmux is a hidden file. I do know that. ScreenRC, I think so. Wait, why am I guessing? I could just check on my Finder. Oh, there it is. Okay, so let me go to my roots, and then let's see. Yeah, these are all my hidden files right here, the ones that look transparent. And then I have some more up here. Yep, .vim. .vim is a hidden file. Let me go and show that right over here. Where's .vim again? .vim, that's a hidden file. It's in red. So the hidden files are in red, I believe. tmounts.config right up here. So yeah, so like all the ones in red. I mean, maybe it's just my the theme of my text editor, not my text editor, my terminal. But from what I've seen, the hidden files are red. So yeah, there's that. That's pretty cool. Clear. Okay, what's the next one? Find directory name by the file. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let me. Okay, so find code katas dash name file. What file do I have? Fizzbuzz? I don't know. Fizzbuzz? Code katas, no such directory. Oh, I think I might need to go into my dev folder. CD documents. I'm going to move on to the next one because I don't want this video to be too long. But I'm going to find it. I'm going to learn that later. All right, ping host. So ping host and display status. All right, so let me go ahead and ping youtube.com. You can see my. So copy that. And then we're going to go ahead and ping youtube.com. Cannot resolve youtube.com unknown host. That's how you do it. Okay, so that's how you do it. Clear. All right, so the problem was I did https / blah blah www.whatever.com, and it told me that there was an unknown host. But what I had to do was just not include that other crap. Just have google.com, youtube.com, medium.com, whatever. Yeah, whatever. All right, so let's try youtube.com. Oh, wait. Ping youtube.com. There we go. Cool. All right, that's the ping command. Now let's try something else. Let's try who is. Who is google.com. Who is Travis Sandin? No, I don't want to do that. I think I might show sensitive information. Let me try something else. Let me try someone popular. Who is Medium? No, Hacker News. Okay, that's pretty cool. I don't have to go online and look up the who is of someone. Rest in Virginia. All right, next one. All right, so next one is the last one, and that is curl something. And what it allows you to do is to download a file via HTTP or FTP. You can download a file. So, let's see what I can download. I want to do something just like simple. Like, can I just like literally like download a domain, like the contents of a domain or something like that? Let's try it. So curl 0. I guess I did. That's CSS. That's a lot of CSS. That's a lot of stuff. But yeah, I guess that's how that works. Maybe I should download a file instead of a. Let me see. I don't know anything about this command, so I got to search it up. Okay, let me download this file right here. So let me clear all this crap, and then use the curl command. I don't want to type it out again. And paste that, and then it gives me more code. So gives me, okay, that's just a bunch of, okay, so it's a bunch of HTML. Yeah, that's cool. So it just downloads like the page, the content of the page. Where does it put it though? Oh, please don't tell me it put it in there. Okay, it didn't. All right, that's cool. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. If you liked it, give it a like. If you loved it, consider subscribe down there or down there. And I'll see you in the next video.